I'm appealing to the people of Nyanza to work with the government. For the first time since independence, today we have got a government that is responsive to the economic challenges of Nyanza. In the Kenya Kwanza plan, we have got a blueprint, a Nyanza economic development blueprint that is aligned to the Kenya Kwanza plan. That blueprint will sort out issues to do with agriculture. For a start, the debts owed by the sugar companies have already been written off. The private sector investors will come in and pump money into those factories. We will have money to settle arrears owed to farmers, sort out employees' salary arrears, and also enable those companies operate at optimal capacity levels. We have got a feasible plan to exploit the blue economy. Within the blue economy, we are going to have fish landing sites in Nyanza. We will have one at Usenge, we will have another one at Michilum, we will have another one at Wangakutieno, Asembo Bay, Kindu Bay, Miho in Migori, so that we can have refrigeration facilities to enable our fishermen exploit the full potential. When the president formed this government, the first project that the president assented to was the Kabonyo Fish Training Institute at a whopping Kenya shillings 3 billion shillings. That is an indication that we have got a government that is truly responsible